Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the emotion based music recommendation system using machine learning. So the project web interface developed using Django and the Python programming language is used to develop this project. The model is trained on the large dataset to classify that the person emotion like happy, sad, angry. It will also detect and it will recommend the song according to the human emotion. So let's copy the URL and paste in any browser. So it will open the web interface and you can see like laptop front camera will also open and it will detect the emotion detector and it will recommend the song according to emotion. Like it is recommend the happy, neutral, sad, like that. Okay, it will changes according to the person emotion or person mood. Okay, surprised, fearful, sad, neutral. So it will be changed continuously according to the person emotion. So this is the complete project. You can also use for your final year project, and this is machine learning based project. Okay, and if you're in doubt then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.